In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check your laptop model or find its exact model number quickly and easily. This method works on most Windows laptops and doesn't require installing any additional software. First, go to the search bar on your desktop and type System Information or simply System Info. From the results, click on the System Information app to open it. Once the window opens, you'll be taken to the System Summary section by default. Here, you can view a range of important details about your device. Look for the System Model field. This is where your laptop's model number is listed. For example, it might show something like HP ProBook 445G8 Notebook PC. Just above or below that, you'll also find the system manufacturer and system name, which can be useful for identification. In addition, you can check other specifications such as system type, like it is x64-based PC, processor, like AMD Ryzen 5, installed RAM, BIOS version and date, operating system details. This information is especially helpful if you're planning to upgrade your laptop, install compatible software, download drivers, or troubleshoot any issues. You can also use this section to confirm your device specifications before sharing them with a technician or when selling your laptop. That's it. This is one of the easiest ways to find your laptop's model and key system details in just a few clicks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, consider subscribing for more simple and useful tech guides. Thanks for watching.